Today we are understanding the bad breath. What is bad breath? Bad breath is known as halitosis. I think most people have bad breath at some point in life. It causes the embarrassing situation and it creates lack of confidence in ourselves. So today we are seeing what causes the bad breath. First reason for the bad breath is poor oral hygiene. Yes, because of lack of brushing and flossing regularly, it can create bacterial growth in our mouth and it can create bad breath from our mouth. Second reason is the dry mouth. Yes, because of many reasons, systematic disease, any medication, it can create lack of saliva in our mouth and it can lead to bad breath. Third thing is diet. Yes, many a times we have onion, garlic kind of food in our diet and contribute to bad breath. Fourth is medical condition. Many medical condition can cause the bad breath because of the respiratory infection or any kind of acid reflux or digestive problem can cause the bad breath. Fifth one is the tobacco usage. Yes, any kind of tobacco chewing or smoking can lead to bad breath. So all of these are the reason for the bad breath. How to prevent bad breath? Here are the tips to prevent the bad breath. First thing is to maintain very good oral hygiene. For that, you have to brush and floss your teeth daily, twice a day, and maintain very good oral hygiene. And second most important thing is that you have to clean your tongue also, because it can also harbor the many bacteria in our tongue and it can cause the bad breath. So flossing and brushing and cleaning your tongue is very important to maintain very good oral hygiene. Second thing is to stay hydrated. You have to drink plenty of water during the day to stay hydrated. Third thing is to maintain the healthy diet. You have to have balanced diet and limit the sugary foods during the day to avoid the causes of bad breath. Fourth is to quit your habit. Yes, if you are chewing tobacco or you are smoking, you have to see options to quit the habit. And last but not the least, you have to visit your dentist regularly to check and to see how your teeth and your overall oral hygiene is progressing. What are the treatments for bad breath? First and foremost thing is to improve oral hygiene. So simply brushing and flossing regularly and improving your oral hygiene can also help. Second thing, if it is not, you can take professional help. You can go to dentist and do the professional cleaning and polishing of your teeth. Third thing, if you have any medical condition and it is causing the bad breath, simply treating the medical condition can help in bad breath. Fourth, you can use antimicrobial mouthwashes to reduce the bacterial growth in your mouth.